Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today I'm going to be sharing a weekend in my life vlog, fall edition. So let's cut back to this morning when I didn't have my makeup and I started to do a chit chat get ready with me. Hi everyone, happy Friday and welcome to a weekend in my life. I love watching these, so I'm filming my own this weekend and I'm really excited because I am going to decorate for Halloween slash fall, I guess. It's a little late because it is already a week before Halloween, so I'm very behind, but I thought I would do a little mini chit chat get ready with me and update you about things that have been going on. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. And then later this evening I'm going to decorate my house, so yay for that. So let's just get into this weekend in my life, shall we? So my version is a chit chat get ready with me. I'm not gonna tell you any of the products. I filmed 2 get ready with me's already that have the product details, so this is just going to be me doing my makeup, not really talking through the products. So I'm just gonna do that with you here. I wanted to update you on what I've been up to. I've been taking care of my mom. She came here September 19th, got put in the hospital, and then has been in the hospital since. So she just got out. So that's why I put off decorating my place. I've been so busy going to the hospital every single day. So she's good now. She did have a heart attack in the Philippines and then had one as soon as she got here to the US. So it was really scary, but she's fine now. I do have to take care of her, very focused and taking care of her. She needs oxygen all the time now. Not all the time, but for the moment she's still recovering. She had a procedure done to her heart, so that's why she's very weak and she just got out of the hospital. So I've been busy doing that. That's why I haven't been like vlogging or doing my blog or anything. I've been just taking care of her. Me and my dad have. He is still here in the US, so now I live with both my parents again. I only lived on my own for 10 months and now they're back living. So technically they're living with me now because this is my place here in LA. I rented it, so they're staying with me. I'm looking at the mirror to the side over here. So I rearranged my room to accommodate them. I'm now sleeping on a mattress on the floor, which I don't mind. They have this bed here, so my room is just cluttered. If you could see it, you can kind of see it back here. That is now a nightstand, and then I have another nightstand over there, and my room is so different. So I'm not gonna decorate it for Halloween this year or anything because it is just my bedroom, not like my last apartment. It was like a living room and a bedroom, so I could decorate them both. But this year I'm not going to do that. So we're just gonna focus on the living room. Most of the fireplace is what I'm gonna decorate. So that's been my life pretty much recently. I've just been doing some chores, going to the hospital every day, and just trying to balance everything in my life. So that is why I haven't been on. So now I have so many videos to edit because before my mom came, I was starting on working on videos again and filming them, so I have a lot backtracked. I also have a vlog from the summer that I found on my memory card that is still in the editor on my Premiere. I have the work project still up and it's still there and I haven't even touched it. So I'm still trying to balance working and taking care of my parents while they're here. I don't know how long they're gonna be here. They're gonna stay maybe another year, so yay for that. They're gonna maybe stay a year, maybe only like half a year. Since it's the holidays coming up, of course it's going to be fun to have them here. Hold on, someone is calling me. That was just the nurse coming to check on my mom. She gets home visits, which is great, so I don't have to do it all the time. We have to give her medication, so much medication. If you just knew, my goodness. And I memorized all of them now, and yeah, so my dad takes care of like the blood pressure.
Yeah, she's there.
I know, I was on the phone with her the other.
Oh, at the same time.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be here. So he's just letting me know that the nurse is still here and taking care of my mom. So my dad takes care of her blood pressure, her blood sugar, and I take care of her medication. And that is pretty much how we're doing. So my mom is fine. I think the last time I updated you, I was like in shock about the whole thing. It's been a month now, so I'm not as fragile anymore. I didn't know what was going on back then. So I was really like scared, and I didn't really think I should vlog. So yeah, I already explained it, but yeah, it's all taken care of now. She's good, she's recovering, and it's just gonna be a long journey for her to recover and regain her strength. Just been a long recovery, but she's doing great, and I'm really happy that everything is okay. So I'm just going to finish my makeup off camera. Just wanted to do a quick update video telling you about that, and then later today I'm going to decorate. So I'm just going to finish off my makeup, and then I'll get back to you in a minute. So I just got done filming my Walmart try-on haul, and then I'm working on the fall decor haul video, and that's what I've been doing pretty much. Editing that. I had lunch earlier, and now I'm gonna get ready to decorate my living room. I'm so excited. I also have my pajama pants. Let me see if I can show you. So this is what they look like. They are dogs that are dressed up in Halloween costumes, trick-or-treating. It is so cool. I got them at TJ Maxx for like $9 last year, so I couldn't wait to wear them, and I really love them. They're so cute. I kind of want to name them. One of them, this one looks like Scooby-Doo right here. I love these pajama pants. I think they're by a brand called Cynthia something. It's on the tag. I don't know. I don't even know if I can link them, but I really love it, and I paired it with this, what is this, West reddish color. It's perfect for fall. I've been wearing it. It's so cozy and soft. I love it so much. And yeah, I guess I'm going to stop procrastinating and let's head out into my living room. And I could just put this on a time lapse and maybe voice over it or put music over me decorating. So let's go decorate for fall. Start off decorating. I'm just removing some of the decorations that I put on the mantelpiece when I moved in, and I haven't moved it, so just getting rid of all the things that I don't want on the mantelpiece. And I'm taking all the decorations that I saved from last year and I combined it with this year, and I'm just taking it out and seeing what I have, putting things where I want them to be, and then I have to untangle all the lights and banners because I didn't properly put them away. So now I need to suffer and untangle them and see how I like it. Then I'm hanging this felt banner that I got from Target last year. It has cute little pumpkin faces, and I'm just taping it to hang over the mantelpiece, and I'm just organizing the pumpkins and putting them in the position of where I like it. I'm not too good with interior design or like styling things, so I just went with what looked good, and I just took all the pieces from the bag and just started placing it where I wanted to, like mix and match the pumpkins, because mostly the decorations that I used were pumpkins. So I just put all of them there, and then I'm taking these burlap bows now in a taupe color and also an orangey rust color, and I taped those to the fireplace as well. Still styling the pumpkins, putting them where they're supposed to go and looking to see how good they are together. Then I'm taking these pumpkin lights. They light up. I got them at the 99-cent store, and I'm just hanging that with the pumpkin banner that I just put on. So I'm taking that and using some of the pumpkins to like weigh it down so it doesn't move all over the place. So I just have that there, and I love these so much. Now I'm moving on to the entryway of my living room and my dining room, and my dad suggested I just do nails. So I nailed 2 holes into the wall to hang the banner up. It says "Hello Fall." I love it so much, and I was so happy that I accomplished it. So I took the banner and I tied it in a loop and then tied a bow around it, and I was working on that to get it to stay in place. Then I started working on the other side, and while I was doing that, it decided to fall. So that was fun. It was really frustrating, and I didn't really know what to do with it because I thought it would stay. So I had my dad come and help me. He tied one side while I did the other, and it turned out fine. And then I had to nail or get another nail and put it in the middle so it can be even. So I had to go in and get one more nail to the center. Now I'm just finishing off the center nail, hanging that up and looking to see if it's even. Then I'm spreading it out, and then now it is done. It says "Hello Fall," and I'm super proud of it. And this is the finished product of my decorating my mantle place here in the living room, the fireplace. I really love how it turned out. So I hope you enjoyed decorating with me, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye! Hi everyone, happy Saturday. So I just got done filming my fall get ready with me makeup. So this is what it looks like, a little sneak peek. Hopefully that will be out soon. But since it's Saturday, I thought I would just go out and take some outfit pictures. I have my teddy bear coat that I've been loving, and this leopard print top that I filmed in my Walmart haul. Yeah, my Walmart haul is where this is from. So I am gonna go shoot this outfit now, and yeah, I can show you like a little behind the scenes and my outfit from that.
Watching it end again and again.
Hi again, I just got back from shooting pictures today, and it was so pretty. I love how they turned out. So I've been standing here on my bed editing the pictures on my laptop. I put my preset that I use on them on Lightroom, and it made it so perfect for fall. Hold on, let me show it to you. I don't know if you can see that, but look at how pretty that is. But I just imported all of them, put my preset, edited how I like, and it's so cool. Can you believe this was taken in West Hollywood? Because I can't, because look at how like fall-esque they are, and I love my outfit. I just love them so much, and how they turned out. I think they are perfect. My preset did make the leaves a little bit more discolored. Originally they are like a different color. They are like kind of green, and then I just edited it to make it a little bit more fall-esque. Guess I can show you like the before and after. So this is it edited, and I found a button. So as you can see, the leaves are a little bit discolored, and then when you turn the preset on, it just makes it more vibrant and orange. That is how they turned out, and I really like how they turned out, because usually I can't get my dad to take really good pictures of me, but I guess today he was having a good day. I'm gonna finish this up, and then I'm going to write the blog post and get that up. So that's pretty much my Saturday evening. Not going to do too much. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow on Sunday. I don't know what I have planned, but maybe that's a good thing. I can have a lazy day for once. So yeah, whatever I do tomorrow, I'll be sure to vlog it. But hope you're enjoying my weekend in my life so far. So see you again tomorrow. Hi everyone, happy Sunday. It is a lazy Sunday for me. I slept until about noon, 12:30, so I got some sleep, got caught up on that, and now I'm up having breakfast. So I have some hot chocolate here in my It's Fall Y'all mug, and then I have a bagel with cream cheese for breakfast, brunch, I guess, since it's so late now. So I'm just gonna eat my delicious bagel, and then I have the Sony Jolies on my iPad. It's been my morning routine for a month or so now, where I just have a bagel, watch my YouTube. Usually the Sony Jolies is what I watch in the morning or whatever for breakfast. And yeah, that is what my Sunday's looking like. I think I'm just gonna have a relaxed one, maybe make something for dinner tonight. But yeah, I'm not going to vlog too much because I'm pretty much just going to be lazy and have one of those lazy fall Sundays. So yeah, let's see where this one takes us, shall we? Hello, it's a couple hours later now. I just sat here editing the fall haul for you guys. The fall home decor. So putting my laptop away, I'm gonna go cut up the ingredients for dinner. I'm gonna make breakfast burritos for dinner, and me and my parents are gonna have breakfast for dinner. And yeah, it is super late now already. I've been sat here. It's 7 o'clock. You can't really see that, but it's 7 o'clock at night. So I'm gonna go cut it up, and then I'll show you my little cook with me, I guess. I don't know. I never really filmed too many, but let's try it. Cut up all my ingredients, onion, garlic, and then the potatoes. Then I'm just gonna put it in my cute pink pan right here. I need to put oil. Where'd I put the oil? Just gonna put a little bit of this in. That's enough, I guess. Now I'm just putting the garlic in and stirring that. Then the onions in, stirring that. Last is the potatoes. I'm going to put that in. Then I'm going to give it a little stir, add a little bit of garlic salt, stir that up, and then put the lid on it. Make sure they're nice and soft. Then I'm going to add some egg into the bunch and then stir it all together. Stirring it up until it is done. Then I'm adding some cheese because I do love it nice and cheesy, and then stirring it all up, making sure it's all done. Then I'm taking the tortillas and just popping it into the oven on a metal tray, and then once they're cooked, after a few minutes, I pop it out, put the filling, add some ketchup, fold it over, and there you have it, my cheesy breakfast burritos.
Sounds like a lady boy.
Up there we go. Daddy had to be in the video.
Oh my God. Sorry.
Hello, so dinner is over now. I put away the leftovers, so now I have food for a couple more breakfasts now, so that's good. And I'm just in my bedroom. I have my lights on and I'm all cozy. I have my hot pink blanket on my leg because it is a little bit chilly out, and I don't have a heater in my room. We only have a heater out in the living room, so I need all the blankets and stuff on me. But I have my laptop right here, and I'm going to binge watch Gilmore Girls. I haven't binge watched it in a few years. I think I watched it on TV when it was actually on TV all those years ago. I still remember like coming home and watching it. Always been a fan of Gilmore Girls. It's like my top TV show ever, and I love watching it this time of year. The last time I like watched something, I think I watched The Year in My Life again last December, and then I watched a few episodes. I think about 5 or 6 years ago, I like binge watched it from season 1 all the way to season 7 again. And then I watched the whole Year in My Life when it came out in 2016. I pretty much just watch Gilmore Girls whenever I want that comforting TV show. So I think I'm going to start and binge watch it like from season 1 to season 7 again, because why not? That's what I'm going to do this fall. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm up to right now. And I'm just going to start this and then catch up with you later, because I need to do like my skincare routine, and I'm going to wash my hair and do all that fun stuff.
No, my daughter. Are you my new daddy? Feeling lonely.
So I'm all bundled up, took my shower, just gonna wait for my hair to dry. And I hope you enjoyed the weekend in my life, decorating with me, cooking with me, a life update, all that sort of stuff. I really enjoyed this weekend in my life and doing this sort of vlog. I think that is it for today's video. So I hope you enjoyed. So please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!